What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Diesel. I'm back here with another video. Today I'm going to do a little unboxing, and I'm also going to install one of the parts that I got for the A4. So stay tuned, check it out. We have some alcohol pads, and we have some K520 primer adhesion promoter. Guess it helps stick better to the car. You can see it's black. It's not carbon fiber. No, sad face. All right. We got the double-sided tape on the back. So let's get this thing put on. Oh yeah, also got 2 Spoiler King stickers and a Spoiler King license plate frame.
It's on. Alright, this is what we doing. We about to put a wing on an Audi A4 of 2009.
So here it is. It's done, it's on. I like it. Tell me what you guys think. It's good. I got some more mods coming. Still waiting for one more, and then I'll be installing that one on there. As you guys can see, it wasn't nothing too extreme. Nothing that took too much time, only took a few minutes to do. The worst part was lining it up. And I mean, all in all, did a pretty good job. Had help from my brother Sean over here. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.